So here is my Honda. Everyone's been asking about it, so I'm going to do a video. I'm going to do aftermarket parts, things I like and don't like about the car. And so to start off, has a brand new engine right from Japan. It's a crate engine. It's a D16 Y8. Has brand new everything, brand new crankshaft, brand new main bearings, brand new con rods. Everything on the head is new. You can see it's an older transmission. But it's a new block. Yeah, new pistons, new valve seals. All that, the whole block is new. And the whole block and the whole head. The whole valve train, everything's new. Brand new engine. It's swapped. Air intake, I'm not sure what the brand is. Headers. Full exhaust system. All the way back. I have the little lip kit right here. Oh no, this is a DC sports muffler. I'm not sure how many inches it is. I think it's a 3-incher. Oh yeah, and then the distributor cap and the coil pack. And a lot of people ask me how I get that turbo sound when it's not turboed, and it's from the upgraded coil pack. It gives it like an extra electricity jolt or something. And you can also change the timing of the engine by moving the distributor left or right, and that will advance or retard the timing. And you can also change the timing through the crank pulley and the timing belt right here. So here it is in action. I also wanted to say that I have aftermarket suspension. It's eBay coilovers. They're not the struts, they're just the springs. So it's a bumpy ride. And I hope the exhaust, oh shit. I hope the exhaust isn't too loud. This is just my practice. This is my practice vlog. Oh shit. guys want to see, I can make more videos about this car. Some people have been talking about the beta. I'll start making videos about the beta. I guess I got plenty of videos about the Suzuki. But I got the new bikes, so I'm excited. No one even watches my channel. That's why I don't post videos, because nobody gives a crap. So let me know what you guys want to see. So give me some feedback, anything. Don't be too mean. Oh shit. So yeah, don't be too mean. I don't got the best equipment either. I'm using like the GoPro, the fake GoPro, on a piece of duct tape. So that's what's holding this thing up. But oh yeah, the engine, it's all brand new, everything. It's brand new built. How do you like them apples? So let me know what you think. Rice or nice?